What's going on, guys? I am just getting off work just now, heading over to the Muay Thai gym. Super stoked, excited. It's Friday and the grind never stops. Gotta go and work hard and get out of here and do my little thing. Alright. That was weird. I don't know where that came from. But I gotta get my pre-workout in, and then I'm gonna drive over right now, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So excited. It's time to warm up. Still gotta wear the mask and all that such. It's gonna be fun.
Hi, Paul.
I'm so exhausted. I'm dying. Oh, man, it's a good time. I love this place. What's going on, guys? So I just got home from Muay Thai. It was such a really good workout. Could barely breathe, and only because like I knew exactly what the problem was because I didn't eat as much. I only ate at lunchtime. I just went right away. Took some pre-workouts. Like really struggling. So the energy wasn't there, but I just kind of pulled out and see what's you know, what I got. And yeah, so it's just been a crazy weekend, and so I just wanted to like kind of like keep the health and fitness up to date, and gonna go and grab some food. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna jump on. I'm gonna go and we're gonna have a little chat. It's gonna be awesome. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and everything. This has become like a really interesting like channel where we're talking about like Muay Thai, health and fitness, and all these different things, personal development. I had so many reasons today to go and say no and not do this and not go, and eventually I just like, you know what, let's get up, moving forward one step at a time. That's all that matters, even if it's just like throwing on your shoes or whatever. And yeah, I made it almost impossible for me to go and say no, because I packed up all my stuff prior at lunchtime to go, brought it to work and everything. And then I was like, you know what, I already booked the time. What's cool is like my gym actually has like an app where you can actually book a time, so that way you can go and yeah, and just show up, because like if it's just, I think that keeps you accountable at the same time, makes you feel like good. And yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go and see you in the backyard. We'll see you in a bit. Got my green tea with lion's mane. Lion's mane is a little mushroom that activates your brain and gets you like focused. So I've been on this for a little while, trying to replace coffee a little bit, trying to tone down, and trying to take coffee a little bit later. Anyways, before we get started, just want to make sure that you guys like, you know, smash the like button, share as much as you can. It helps with the algorithm. Honestly, it just appreciates like, you know, every little bit. It just means a lot to me. Hope you guys are all doing great today, though. Today, I just really want to talk about like health and fitness and how it ties together with your personal development and your growth, and your, you know, it just ties in together. You know, in my opinion, I've come across a lot of like the topics where like, you know, their life has to be balanced, right, with family, business, and health and fitness. But honestly, like, everything touches, everything's all layered, everything is all together. So the thing is, like, in my opinion, this is how I see fitness and how it ties together with your life. It's not a matter of balancing, but it's more about like kind of like figuring out how everything touches, right? Health and fitness, health is wealth, honestly, is the biggest component. A lot of people have amassed a ton of money, but, you know, may not be the healthiest person. And so again, like, always focused on help, like, you know, taking care of yourself, sleeping more, drinking lots of water. So yeah, I'm always having my water around me and always taking care of myself. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to the topic of everything's all layered. So health and wealth, health is fitness, you know, so health and fitness is right here. And then let's just say, like, you know, you want to go develop your self-development, right? So this is a second layer, a second layer of like health and personal development, developing your mental mindset, reading lots of books, business wise, and family, and all these different things. Like, everything's all layered, but
everybody's like stacks are a little bit different, but they have to realize that you're not really balancing everything. Everything's all layered like an onion, so it all touches. So if one thing doesn't come together, a lot of things kind of falls in a different area, right? And so my opinion is that about a year ago, I just really wanted to dive into like martial arts, combat sports. Before that, I was really focused on like, looking good, building muscle, stamina. Cardio was not very good, and so I got to the point where I really was satisfied, and I was like, you know what, I was not happy for whatever reason. I was actually more frustrated. I didn't quite understand why. And then so I read somewhere that functionality and combat sports and moving and martial arts, and then I thought to myself, like, I've always wanted to do that when I was growing up, but my parents couldn't give it to me just because like we were very poor. And so that way I decided to just go into myself and research and find a Muay Thai gym. So I found my gym right now, London Muay Thai, and I love it so much because like the moment I walked in, I was just welcomed. Everybody works hard, they correct you. And so after a year from all this, like, I've just learned so much how like really does tie together. Like, there were days where I'm done work and I was not motivated, I was not in the right attitude, but I still got myself out there hitting the bag, every ounce of energy as much as possible. And once you leave, you feel satisfied, you feel healthier, you feel like a little bit of weight. I was severely happy. It was interesting kind of see that, just because like, and I recommend a lot of people who are watching this, because this message today is about just finding that healthy outlet, right? My friend does golf, right? That does take a lot out of you. The swings, the body, the movements, everything like that. Tennis, basketball. There's so many different sports that I believe that a lot of people will excel. You can see the progression. Whereas like to me, like when I was doing bodybuilding, and you probably see the progression, but like I was just not satisfied because there was no way of testing it per se, unless I were gonna go do like competition. But I just didn't have the want for that, right? So, but anyways, again, nothing wrong with all that, but for me, was not for me. I really wanted to like kind of figure out how to use my muscles and really move, and so that's why I include a lot of like active clips, like my Muay Thai clips, and going out to bikes, and it's awesome. Like I really love it. So like to me, that priority right now is like taking care of my body, health is wealth, and then personal development, developing myself, my mindset, always growing myself. It's super hard. There are days where you don't want to, and it's uncomfortable, and that those are the days that you are actually growing, because you're not feeling like to do, like, it's just uncomfortable. It's an uncomfortable feeling, and usually it's just our human psyche where like if it's uncomfortable, we always try to seek what's comfortable. And so you're definitely kind of pushing yourself, which is amazing, and so I love that. Oh gosh, anyways, but yeah, I hope that this message really share with you guys and dawn with you guys that everything does touch, everything is layered, and that's how I see a lot of life. Your performance